let's see how recursion works in Python. The syntax for a recursive function is as follows. Now, to demonstrate how it works, I will write the name of a function, greet, and I will, everywhere that the recursive function is written, I'll write greet, and then I'll print a hello and the whatever the greeting is, and then the exclamatory mark. So I'll write if a is equal to good morning, then we greet good afternoon, else good evening. So it's just a simple greeting function where if somebody has first we greet the person as good morning, then we greet good afternoon, and then good evening. So it recursively keeps calling. Then after that we write the main function, and here we have written greet and good morning. Now when we run this, you'll see I have not put any stopping condition, and it keeps running in an infinite loop. Now I'll just give a count. I'll just write a simple function here, recursive a, and I'll write this is a recursive function. I'll print a, whatever the value is passed to the whatever parameter is passed to the function, and I'll write recursive and new parameter. And in the main body, I'll write recursive parameter passed to function. Now just to not run it into infinite loop, I will write a count. I'll write a variable count over here. So I'll have the count as 4, and I'll pass it as a parameter to the function. Now we'll keep running this until count is greater than 0. If count is greater than 0, then recursive count minus 1. So at each count you can see that this is in recursive function, parameter passed to function is, and that time the count is 4. Again the new parameter is passed this time. It's recursively called, and the count changes to 3, and this continues till the count reaches 0. So this is how a recursive function is called in this is how a recursive function works in Python, where first the main function is run until it reaches the part where the recursive where the function is again recursively called. So it does the typical work. It has the typical working of a function until it reaches the function calling itself, and then either a new parameter is passed or the same parameter is passed. And if a stopping condition is passed, it all depends. If the stopping condition is not passed as a parameter, The loop keeps on running into infinite loop, as we have already seen.